Hi guys, welcome back to Avarese kitchen. So today I'll be showing you how to prepare this peanut butter chicken stew. For this recipe I'll be using a whole chicken. I'm just going to go ahead and cut that into smaller pieces. This recipe brings back so many memories from when I was younger back home. You know, we'd run around the yard trying to catch the chicken so that Gogo can prepare it for dinner. It's really one of those dishes that I love to cook when I'm feeling homesick and missing Ogogo, you know? I was really having such a proud moment while cutting this chicken up. Your girl didn't learn how to cut chicken until she was in her 20s. I remember even when I was living on my own, I'd still have to go to my mom to help me cut my chicken. So this is such a proud moment for me, guys. Clap for your girl. Now we're done cutting up the chicken. I'm going to heat up some oil in a pan. I'm going to get this going on a medium heat and fry our chicken just to get some color on it on both sides. Now I'm going to go in with some sea salt to season the chicken. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn the chicken. What we're trying to achieve here is just a little bit of color on the chicken itself. We're not trying to get it cooked all the way through. Now I'm removing the chicken from the pan and we're going to start preparing the base for our peanut stew. You can find the ingredients and full recipe for this peanut butter chicken stew on the Avarese kitchen page. Now we're going to fry up all our fresh vegetables and aromatics and start building the flavors in our peanut sauce. So for this particular recipe, I chose to use crunchy peanut butter. I personally don't mind the texture. I actually think it works really well in the stew. But if you do prefer, you can go ahead and use smooth peanut butter. Now that the base of our peanut stew is done, we're going to go ahead and pop the chicken back in, add some water, and we're going to leave this to cook for 20 to 30 minutes on a low heat. So it's been half an hour, the stew is fully cooked, it smells so good and it tastes amazing. So now I'm gonna go ahead and serve this up in a bowl, ready for dinner. This is such a delicious hearty stew. It pairs well with basmati rice, or you can serve it with a side of your choice. For more delicious recipes, please follow Avarese Kitchen.